Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is FADZLIANA. In this video, we will conduct an experiment 1 of the year 2042 Animal and Plant Physiology, which is respiration.
The objective of this experiment is to identify the effect of water temperature on the respiration rate of a fish. Oxygen consumption rate has become the conventional metabolic measure for fish since dissolved oxygen can be determined with relative ease and reliability. The purpose of this experiment was to identify the effect of different water temperature on the respiration rate of a goldfish. One of the factors that influences the respiratory rate of a fish is the water temperature. Water temperature is the most important environmental parameter that influences the life cycle, psychology, and behavior of aquatic life. High temperature also reduces maximum the amount of oxygen that is soluble in water, leading to oxygen pressure if the water receives high flow of organic matter. A change in water temperature will affect the normal respiratory patterns of the goldfish. If the water temperature decreases, then the respiratory rate of the fish will also decrease because of decreased metabolic demand.
These are the materials we need. We need 2 small fishes, 2 small beakers, a measuring cup, tap water, cold water, and a spoon. First, fill in a small beaker with 200 ml tap water. Take out the small fish using a spoon and put it inside the beaker. The number of breaths of the fish is observed and recorded in 5 minutes. The step 1 and 2 is repeated using 200 ml of water from the fridge. Based on the experiments that I have been conducted, the result I obtained through my observations on fish that are in tap water have an estimated respiration rate of 219 per minute, while the estimated rate of fish that are in cold water is 140 per minute. The variable factor found in the experiment is water temperature. Italy 2001 observed that the respiratory rate depends upon temperature, and fishes felt stress with rising temperature. The other factor that could affect the rate of respiration in fish is the concentrations of oxygen. Lentech 2018 stated that as dissolved oxygen levels in water drop below 5.0 mg per liter, aquatic life is put under stress. The lower the concentration, the greater the stress. Therefore, when the water temperature is low, the dissolved oxygen concentration is high. Targa 2011 stated that increasing temperature in the culture system reduces dissolved oxygen and increases the metabolic rate. The hypothesis that had been stated at the beginning of the experiment was proved based on the estimates of the respiration rate of the fish that had been recorded. Therefore, through experiments, hypotheses are accepted where if the water temperature decreases, then the respiratory rate of a fish will also decrease because of decreased metabolic demand. However, there were some errors in the experiment. The reading of the fish gill movements are inaccurate because the fish are not in the fixed positions and move frequently. The experiments carried out went smoothly, where differences in the respiration rate of a fish at different temperatures were observed and recorded.